1 bar of A minor 7, 1 bar of B minor 7. Here we go. Whole notes. Let's start with whole notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, A minor 7. Here we go. 1, 2, up to B minor 7. Here we go. 2, back to A minor 7 now. Up to B minor 7 now. Down to A minor 7 now. Up to B minor 7 now. 2, rock solid on the 4s now. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, back to A now. 2, up to B, here we go. Down to A now, here we go. Up to B, here we go now. Down to A minor 7, A minor 7. Up to B minor 7, 2, 3, 4. A minor 7, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. A minor 7. Repeat those names in your head. The reason why this is, well, I'll go down here. The reason why that's A minor 7 is because my first finger is on A. Same thing with B. My first finger's on B. Now A. And it's a minor 7 tonality because I only have my third finger activated. 2, 3, 4.